Alright, so I've got a center section down the middle of the back with two A-line sections clipped away, and you can see I'm combing this section down to trim up the outline. We're going to trim the outline and then give the haircut some layers. But the very first thing we've got to establish is the new length, the new outline. So I'm cutting in this guide to establish the outline, or the length I should say, for the rest of the hair. So I've got another A-line section, combing that hair down, holding the hair flat against my model's back using my left hand while cutting the current section to match the previous section so that I know I'm going to always be the same length every time I cut a section. So I'm going to work my way up the left side. Once I've got the outline all done on the left side, I will then continue cutting the outline on the right side. Alright, so now it is time to cut some frame the face layering here on the right side. You can see I'm combing the hair and I'm holding the hair right there in my hand and basically using the scissors to cut the desired frame the face layers length. And I'm just working those frame the face layers down to the outline. I'm going to do this on the right side and then I'm going to do it on the left side. Alright, so my model has a ton of hair and it's thick. So what we want to do is go through and layer it to lighten it up so it's not as heavy. So you can see I've got a center section down the back, combing it straight back and establishing that layer. Right there at the very tippity top of that section, I lift the section up a little bit more to round it. By rounding it, I'm eliminating a corner. By eliminating a corner, hypothetically, I'm cutting more hair. By cutting more hair, it makes the layer shorter, and by making the layer shorter, it makes it lighter. So you can leave a corner. You can definitely layer hair by leaving a corner, and it's going to be a little bit heavy, but when your model has a ton of hair, like this model does, then you may want to consider lifting it and kind of just rounding that corner. All right, so the layering is all done on the left side, and now I am doing the layering on the right side. Alright, check out those beautiful layers. It lightened up the hair dramatically. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, put them down in that comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much again for watching.